When it comes to maintaining a comfortable home or business, energy efficiency is a priority for many in Metairie, Louisiana. With the hot, humid summers and the unpredictable weather, keeping your property cool in the summer and warm in the winter is essential. One of the most overlooked yet crucial factors that affect the energy efficiency of your property is proper door installation. Your doors serve as an essential barrier between the inside of your home and the outdoor environment. However, if they are not installed correctly, they can become a significant source of energy loss, resulting in higher utility bills and a less comfortable living space. In this article, we'll explore how proper door installation plays a pivotal role in improving energy efficiency and why it's so important for homeowners and businesses in Metairie. Preventing air leaks. Improperly installed doors are one of the leading causes of air leaks in a building. Gaps around doors or poor alignment can let in hot air during the summer and cold air during the winter. These air leaks make your HVAC system work harder to maintain the desired indoor temperature, leading to higher energy consumption and increased costs. Proper installation ensures that the door fits securely within its frame, minimizing the chances of air escaping or entering. Additionally, high-quality weather stripping and sealing techniques can further enhance the door's performance by closing any gaps, creating a tighter seal. Improved insulation. Many modern doors come with built-in insulation, which helps regulate the indoor temperature more efficiently. A properly installed door, with an effective insulating core, can keep your home cooler during the summer and warmer during the winter. The insulation reduces the need for your air conditioning or heating system to work overtime, which directly translates to energy savings. Whether you're opting for a solid wood, fiberglass, or steel door, the key is proper installation. If the door is not installed at the correct level or if it is not sealed properly, it will not be able to maintain the insulating benefits it is designed to provide. With proper installation, the door can achieve maximum insulation performance, improving energy efficiency. Enhancing the performance of your HVAC system. Your HVAC system plays a critical role in regulating your home's indoor climate. When your doors are improperly installed, your HVAC system has to work harder to compensate for the air loss, leading to unnecessary wear and tear. This not only increases energy consumption but can also shorten the lifespan of your HVAC system, leading to costly repairs or replacements. A well-installed door, on the other hand, can help your HVAC system run more efficiently. By preventing drafts and maintaining a consistent indoor temperature, your HVAC system won't have to work as hard, resulting in lower energy bills and fewer repairs. Long-term cost saving. While the initial cost of proper door installation may seem like an investment, it pays off in the long run. When a door is installed correctly, it enhances energy efficiency, reduces energy waste, and lowers your utility bills. Over time, these savings can add up significantly, providing a substantial return on investment. Additionally, a door that is properly installed will last longer and require fewer repairs, saving you money on maintenance and replacements. In the case of a poorly installed door, you may face problems like shifting or warping, which can lead to costly fixes in the future. Proper installation ensures the door remains functional and energy efficient for years to come. Comfort and climate control. Energy efficiency isn't just about saving money, it's also about comfort. Properly installed doors help maintain a stable indoor environment by preventing drafts and ensuring that the internal climate stays consistent. Without proper installation, the temperature inside your property can fluctuate, creating uncomfortable hot or cold spots. In Metairie, where temperatures can reach into the 90s during summer and drop significantly in winter, ensuring that your doors are properly installed helps maintain a comfortable living or working environment throughout the year. A properly installed door minimizes temperature fluctuations and keeps your home or office comfortable no matter the weather outside. The role of professional installation. While DIY door installation may seem tempting, hiring a professional installer ensures that the job is done right. Professionals have the expertise and experience to ensure that your door is installed properly, including ensuring the door is aligned, sealed, and insulated correctly. They can also advise you on the best materials for your climate and home style. In Metairie, where the weather can be harsh, professional installation can make all the difference in terms of energy efficiency. A trained installer will ensure that your door meets local building codes, performs optimally, and helps maximize energy savings. Conclusion. In Metairie, proper door installation is a crucial factor in improving energy efficiency. By preventing air leaks, improving insulation, enhancing HVAC performance, and offering long-term savings, a well-installed door can make a significant impact on your home or business's energy consumption. To get the most out of your door and enjoy a more comfortable, energy-efficient space, it's essential to invest in professional installation. The result will be lower utility bills, fewer maintenance costs, and a more comfortable environment throughout the year.